Kasi yung pinapagawa kanina is from here, going to Chongmoro, from here, din tsaka ganyan.
Pwede rin naman. Actually,
Kaso tatlong lipat. Kaso dito, dalawa. I'm not sure if yun nga, kung malayong lakad or something. Pero ito yung recommended niya na route.
I think agree with this. Yun lang.
Boom, ubos. In 1 minute. Lasang Jonas Shake. Pero coffee. Ready post. Ready post. Guys, they do have free charging. It's charging.
If you happen to go to a train station in Korea, try this one. It's effective. It's working. Let's wait.
Hi guys, we're currently here in Hongdae in Hongik University, and currently not sure what to do here but probably shopping and some coffee shops lang. Then ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa Hongdae. So yun guys, check natin later if saan tayo makakapunta and kung ano-ano yung mabibili natin na items. The Ordinary. Ito guys, napakabango ng tinapay dito. We'll try that later. Pero for now, punta muna kami dito sa The Ordinary. Try it. The steps should be prep, treat, and seal. So yun guys, we got 2 of this. I got 2 of niacinamide plus zinc. Plus, I want HA, hyaluronic acid serum. Alpha-arbutin. May ganyan pa ako. Glycolic. Then one of these. One of these. Then, damihan na natin kasi 23% off. Peptides. Yan. Hyaluronic. Dalawa din. 2 of these hyaluronic acid.
The discount.
Lip balm.
보통 얼굴 전체
Kasha. So ordered fried chicken, boneless. Tapos isang quesadilla chicken with Sicilian dressing. Wala kaming beer. Pero look at that view. It's Hongdae.
What's the name of the resto?
Nona Holdak.
No, it's CCP.
Nona Holdak. Ano yung Nona Holdak?
It's welcome.
Di ko alam. Ano yung basa ko? Nona Holdak. CCP.
Ciao.
Ciao. Okay, so ito yung order namin. Boneless chicken with fries na side dish. Then we have these sauces. Of course, Korean corn and the radish. Then we're just waiting for our quesadilla. And then yun na yung lunch namin. Late lunch. Guys, ang sarap ng chicken ito. Especially the sauce. Itanggal yung sauce na to. Yung kulay orange yung masarap. And the chicken is so crispy. I recommend it. Sicilian quesadilla. Fruits. It's so big. Oh my God. So cute. Ganda niyang pan-display sa bahay. $7.9. 3 minutes per person. So HD. Ang HD ng LED nila. Grabe. BGC could never.
tập trung ở đây hả Long?
예, 매운 거 순한 거 어떤 거 드릴까요?
적당한 거 없을까요?
예?
적당한 거?
적당한 거 조금만 맵게 해드릴까요?
네.
Paano?
네, 바로 먹을 거예요.
Taning! Init. Look at that, guys.
Mukhang may sold out na.
Supreme brown sugar bobo milk tea. Bobo milk tea. Supreme brown sugar bobo milk. Brown sugar bobo milk tea. Supreme brown sugar bobo milk. A bobo